In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover my contacts in Gmail. First, let's begin by opening Google Contacts. On your computer, you can do this by navigating to contacts.google.com. Once you are there, you will see a clean interface with your contacts listed. If you are not signed in, you will be prompted to log in with your Gmail account. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are accessing the right account where your contacts were originally stored. You will notice the familiar layout of your contacts, which makes it easy to navigate. Next, sign in with your Gmail account. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that step as well. This added security is important because it helps protect your data. Once you successfully sign in, you will be directed back to Google Contacts. Here, you will be able to see all your contacts, providing a comprehensive view of your address book. This reassurance helps you know that you are in the right place to begin the recovery process. Now let's click on Trash or Bin on the left side of the screen. This section is where all your deleted contacts are stored temporarily. When you click on it, you will see a list of contacts that you have removed. This is a critical step because it gives you access to contacts that can still be recovered. The interface will clearly show you the names and details of the deleted contacts, making it easier for you to identify which ones you want to restore. From there, select the contact or contacts you want to recover. You can do this by clicking on the checkbox next to each contact's name. This action is important because it allows you to choose specific contacts without restoring everything in the trash. You may notice that selecting multiple contacts at once can save you time, especially if you have accidentally deleted several at the same time. This careful selection helps streamline your recovery process. Once you have made your selections, click on Recover. This action will restore the selected contacts back to your main contacts list. Deleted contacts remain in trash for up to 30 days, so it is essential to act within that time frame. When you click Recover, a confirmation message may appear, reassuring you that your contacts are being restored. This step is vital because it ensures that the contacts you need are back where they belong. At this point, if the contacts are not in trash, you may need to consider other recovery options. Sometimes contacts can be lost due to syncing issues or accidental deletion beyond the 30-day period. It's important to regularly back up your contacts to avoid such situations in the future. You can do this through various methods such as exporting your contacts periodically. This practice saves you a lot of hassle later on if things go wrong. In summary, recovering your contacts in Gmail is a straightforward process. By opening Google Contacts, signing in, accessing the trash, selecting the contacts, and clicking Recover, you can restore lost information with ease. Remember, keeping a backup is always a wise decision to prevent future loss. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you recover your important contacts successfully.